Hey, Gospel Guitarist here. Just wanted to leave a note on my new build. I think this is the 4th iteration that this Strat has seen this year. I went from single coils to humbuckers, and then I pulled the humbuckers because I missed the single coils. Played with a bunch of different setups. If you've been following along, I've had white pick guards, gold pick guards, the black pick guard twice. Now decided to, well, it kind of looks like a part SRV Strat and part David Gilmour. So David has the white on black with the maple, which looks nice, and then SRV Steve Ray Vaughan has the bursted body with the triple ply pick guard. David Gilmour only has a single ply black one, so it's kind of a blend of both guitars. I think it looks nice. I have nice sound. I'll probably buy real Fender pickups, maybe, or maybe Seymour Duncan's. These are the Mexican ones that came in it. They don't sound bad, and the pull pieces are adjusted for the radius of the neck, so it sounds pretty nice. The other Gilmour-ish part of this is I installed a switch, but it's not your typical Gilmour switch where you turn on the neck pickup. This switch is wired to this switch. So that what happens is it controls when this guy is on. So you're actually, it's like a bridge switch. So when it's in the off position, you got your normal Strat tones. But when you flip it up, the first 3 are the same. But 4 is all 3 pickups, because 4 normally has these 2 on. So when you turn this on, it engages this guy. So your bridge comes on. And then when you push it to position 5, you have your typical David Gilmour setup with the neck and the bridge. So it's 7 combinations this way. If you're paying attention, there's a link to how to wire this mod in my description. I'm not going to take credit for the wiring. The guy is really good. I think it's Breja Toneworks. I'll have to double check. There will be a link there if you want to do this. I used to have it wired for 6 sounds, and now it's got 7 sounds, and I think it looks awesome. It plays really well, sounds good. Can't hear a whole lot of difference between 3 pickups and just the 2. That could be had by the way you set your height on the pickups as well, so play with those. I like my height not raised really high on a Strat. I like it to be a little lower, because I play a Strat single coil when I want the single coil sound, which is clean for me. If I want distorted sounds, I usually go with humbuckers. So anyway, that's an update and the final look of my made in Mexican Fender Stratocaster. Don't know what kind of body it has on it. It might, not sure, might be older. Not sure what Fender's doing with their Mexican bodies. So bought it used. It's been through 100 configurations. I'm settling on this one. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit the bell. I have lots of mod videos that you can watch on how to rewire your guitar. I didn't do it on this one. I should have, but I didn't. So it was a last minute, just, hey, let's rip your Strat apart one more time thing. And I just did it without shooting the video. I will put a link. You can go and see how easy it is. You just put a jumper on here on your 5-way switch. You put a jumper there, and you do rewire the tone pots differently than your typical. They still operate the same, but they're wired in a different way on the switch that allows for this mod to work properly. So, and there's other variations that you can do with that too. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Have a good day. Hope you had a good Memorial Day weekend. Indy 500 rocked. So congrats to the winner. I'm from Detroit, so I have to watch that. And always have a good time. All right, I'll see you in the next video.